Welcome back. I'll be showing how to make a great drink that will help to burn belly fat, boost immunity, and also it is good for healing gut health. So stay tuned. So to make this drink, make sure that you wash all the fruit and vegetable properly to avoid contaminating the drink. I'll be making use of 4 sticks of celery. Celery will help to detoxify the liver, lower blood pressure, and it is also good for weight loss. I'll be making use of 2 oranges that are peeled, 3 radish, I'll be adding 1 to 2 inch of turmeric. You can decide to peel the turmeric or use turmeric powder. I'll also make use of ginger. You can decide to peel it. I'll be adding carrots, which I've already peeled. Then I'll start by cutting the celery. Carrot is so important for this drink because it's going to boost your metabolism, and also it is good for your skin because carrots contain vitamin C and beta carotene. It will help to improve your eyesight, it will help to slow down aging, and it is also good for burning belly fat. I'll be making use of radish. Radish will help to lower your blood sugar, it will purify your blood. It also contains some nutrients that will help to kill cancer cells, and it will also help to improve digestion. Done. I'm going to add all of them into the juicer to extract to get the juice. You can decide to use the blender, add water, blend until smooth, then sieve to get the juice. Ginger in this drink will help to aid digestion, improve circulation, and it is also good for weight loss. When I'm done juicing, I'll be adding some pinch of black pepper. This will help to enhance the absorption of the nutrient. Then I'm going to stir to mix properly. If you want to improve the absorption of all the nutrients in this drink, you can decide to add some olive oil. Then mix together and enjoy this drink. This drink is so good because it's going to improve your immunity, heal your gut health, increase circulation, and it is also good for weight loss. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.